Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the gifts option on the Revolut app. So first of all you have to go to the menu, and here the gifts is the second one in the menu. So just tap on the gifts icon, and here you can choose from all these visual gift options that you can send. As you can see, here are like different events for Eastern, everything. Here are some messages, stay strong, some healthy stuff, some money stuff. Yeah, so you have a lot of options. Then after let's go with this one, you choose your gift option. Here you can type any message, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, can type. Yeah, here is the message, and here you can type the amount of money that you want to send and also the currency. So for example, if I want to send 1,000, 10,000, 1 million bitcoins to my YouTube subscribers, then I can, but I don't have YouTube subscribers nor bitcoins, so that kind of sad story. Yeah, so you type in your amount and then go to continue, and here you can choose the recipient, and you can also schedule it. When should this amount arrive to your recipient, and you can also set a reoccurring payment. So that's it for this option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And yeah, don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me. Bye, have a good day.